In this video, I'm going to show you how to do the timer effect in Canva video. So the first thing you want to do is go over here inside Canva where it says create a design, and you want to look for animated social media. So in case you can't find it, just simply type in animated and it should be one of the top search results and have this kind of Instagram emoji or icon over here. You want to click on this, and then we're going to make a very simple timer effect, okay? Now, what you want to do is, first off, just simply go inside text, and then add in a certain text. Let's say you want this glow one over here, and then simply make it so kind of the last number of your timer. So let's say I want the last number to be 5, and there we go. What you then want to do is simply make it as big as you'd like it to be. And I'm not going to add in a background. You can play with that if you want to. You can simply add in a background color of your choice, anyone you'd like. Actually, let's put this gray one. There we go. And then what you want to do is copy this number 5, and then click on this plus icon down here, paste it in, replace it with 4, and then paste it into yet another one, make it 3, and then another one, make it 2, and then yet another one and make it 1. There we go. What you then want to do is, as you can see, this is 25 seconds long. It's way too long. What you want to do is simply what you want to do is select each and every single one of these and then make them shorter, okay? As you can see, you can make them as short as you want to. I'm going to put it on 1 second, so just drag every single one until you see 1 second on top of it. There we go. And one more. There we go. Now it's on 1 second, and as you can see, if you play this, it says 5, 4, 3, 2, and then 1, and we've created this timer effect. Now the way you get it is simply click on share up here, and then press download, and make sure to select GIF over here, okay? So it's a repeating effect. Now if you want a video which does not loop but just simply plays out and that's it, you can click on MP4 video, which makes a high quality video. But in my case, I want a GIF, so it goes 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, goes back to 5, and then just instantly loops and repeats itself over and over again. I want to click GIF, and then make sure to have all pages over here, press download, and then wait for this to download onto your computer. It should be ready in a few seconds over here. And then once that's done, you'll be able to see that we've got ourselves a GIF we can send to anybody or just use as a timer or a template inside any of our projects, videos, or wherever. Now, of course, you can play around with this and make it however you like. You don't have to put in numbers, you can put in something else. And there we go, it's downloaded. If I now click on it, as you can see, it now plays as a GIF, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and then goes back to 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and there we go. We've made ourselves a timer effect in Canva. Now, if this video helped you out, make sure to subscribe to the channel, and I'll catch you in the next one.